Is your Anthurium all leaves with no flowers? You might be missing a simple natural feeding method. Many people care for their Anthuriums regularly, yet the plants only survive instead of thriving or blooming. In this video, I'll share a natural, easy-to-make fertilizer that helps Anthuriums grow strong shoots, glossy leaves, and long-lasting blooms. This method requires no expensive fertilizers, is safe for indoor plants, and is perfect for beginners. Watch until the end, because one small step can make a big difference in getting your Anthurium to bloom consistently. The first ingredient I'm using is lemon, a very common ingredient in everyday life. In this step, I use lemon peel because it contains natural compounds that are beneficial for plants. I peel a thin layer of the outer lemon skin and prepare it for the next step. Which country are you watching from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. After peeling, I continue by finely cutting the lemon peel so the active compounds can be released more effectively during processing. While cutting, I keep the peel pieces fairly uniform to ensure a stable and consistent process. Once cutting is complete, I gently place all the lemon peel into a clean glass jar. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well so the lemon peel is fully immersed. Finally, I seal the jar and let it steep for about 2 hours to allow the compounds in the lemon peel to be extracted steadily. After soaking the lemon peel solution for 2 hours, I gently remove the peel and give the liquid a final stir. Next, I strain out all the lemon peel, keeping only the clear liquid. Once the solution is filtered, I add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Honey helps provide natural nutrients and supports better absorption by the plant. After that, I add 500 milliliters of room temperature water to balance the concentration of the solution. I stir the mixture thoroughly until the honey is fully dissolved and the solution becomes uniform. At this point, the solution is ready to be used for Anthurium care. Step 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the freshly prepared lemon peel and honey solution. Then, I gently wipe the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves and stems. When wiping the leaves, I focus on both the upper and underside, where gas exchange and nutrient absorption are most active. The lemon peel solution contains mild organic acids and natural compounds that help clean the leaf surface and support a balanced leaf microenvironment. When properly diluted, this solution stimulates metabolic activity within the leaves, reducing dull, weak, and thin foliage. As a result, the leaves become thicker, greener, and naturally glossy. Honey acts as a supplement, providing gentle bioenergy and supporting beneficial microorganisms on the leaf surface. This helps the plant recover faster from stress, such as weed growth, water shock, or repotting. As the leaves are wiped, dust and salt buildup are removed, allowing better airflow and improved photosynthesis. This allows the plant to generate more energy for healthy white root growth, bud formation, and more even, long-lasting blooms. This is not just leaf cleaning, but a way to activate the plant's vitality from the outside, helping your Anthurium grow stronger and more stable over time. Step 2. Mist with the lemon peel and honey solution. I pour the lemon peel and honey solution into a spray bottle and mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and base. Misting allows nutrients to distribute evenly and be absorbed gently, minimizing plant stress. Anthuriums thrive in humid yet well-ventilated environments. Fine mist droplets from the lemon peel and honey solution help improve nutrient absorption while maintaining stable moisture. Lemon peel provides mild, organic acids and natural compounds that help stimulate roots and new shoots. Honey adds gentle bioenergy and supports beneficial microorganisms, helping the plant recover faster and reducing weak foliage. With regular use, misting with the lemon peel and honey solution improves nutrient transport from leaves to roots, resulting in balanced growth and more consistent bud formation. Step 3. Water and soak the roots with the lemon peel and honey solution. I gently water the Anthurium growing medium with the lemon peel and honey solution. The solution is applied evenly around the base so it soaks in gradually without pooling. This step feeds the root system, which directly determines the plant's overall health and blooming ability. As the solution penetrates the medium, natural compounds from the lemon peel help roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Honey provides gentle bioenergy and supports beneficial microorganisms in the root zone. This helps create a stable, well-aerated root environment that supports healthy root growth. After watering, I let the plant soak in the solution for about 10 minutes and place it in gentle sunlight. Soaking combined with gentle sunlight helps the roots absorb nutrients more effectively and supports stable bud formation and blooming. Step 4. Wipe the leaves to complete the care process. After misting and watering with the lemon peel and honey solution, I use a soft cotton pad or a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe off excess moisture from the Anthurium leaves. Wiping the leaves removes excess solution, preventing prolonged moisture buildup that can suffocate the leaves and reduce gas exchange. Clean, dry leaves allow the stomata to function more efficiently, improving photosynthesis. As a result, the plant produces more energy to support root growth, encourages new shoot development, and helps flowers stay healthy and longer lasting. Drying the leaves also makes them naturally glossy, thicker, and stronger, while reducing the risk of leaf burn under light exposure. This step helps stabilize the plant after nutrient absorption, completes the care routine, and prevents plant stress. It may seem small, but it delivers big results, keeping your Anthurium healthy long-term with strong roots, beautiful leaves, and consistent, long-lasting blooms. All the steps in this video use natural ingredients like lemon peel and honey, making the method simple, safe, and easy to apply at home. If you're looking for a way to help your Anthurium grow truly healthy from the inside out, this method is definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, so we can continue exploring more natural, effective, and budget-friendly plant care tips together.